What to expect from the Galaxy S24 FE charging speed. Samsung has released its Galaxy series smartphone, the Galaxy S24 FE, this year. Ahead of its launch, the smartphone's charging details have been revealed online, and it doesn't spell promising news for prospective buyers. Samsung might have again capped the charging abilities of its rumored smartphone at a majorly lower speed than its maximum limit of 45 watts that's offered on the Galaxy S24 series. Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is claimed to be powered by an Exynos 2400E chipset, a downgraded version of the Exynos 2400 that powers the S24 lineup. It may run on One UI operating system based on Android 14. The handset may be boasted with a 6.7-inch display with a peak brightness of 1900 nits. The rumored smartphone is expected to feature a triple rear camera setup, having a 50-megapixel primary shooter, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3-time optical zoom. It may also get a 10-megapixel selfie camera on the front. Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is rumored to house a 4565 mAh battery, supporting 25-watt wired and 9-watt wireless charging. According to reports, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE was noticed on the TÜV Rheinland certification website. The listing hints at the handset supporting Samsung's super fast charging, which is capped at 25 watt, in line with the charging capabilities of the entire Galaxy S24 series, except the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Moreover, it might come with an identifier SMS721, with additional characters integrated depending on the region. 7 models could be released depending on the region. While the Galaxy S24 FE is set to boast the same charging speed as its predecessor, it will purportedly get a downgrade when it comes to wireless charging.